Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. It's Wednesday, March 31st, last day of the month, last day of the first quarter of the year. Look at the monthly time frame of the charts. The equity index is first. Most important one, the S&P 500 cash index, SPX, Sierra Papa X-ray. For the month, it made a new high, all-time high, record high. Good job out of the S&P 500, strong like bull. So for the first 3 months of the year, each month has made a higher high. The momentum's to the upside, that is bullish. The Nasdaq 100, this index is also inside the S&P 500 index. This month made a lower low, lower high. The momentum's down, not good, not leadership. Last month was the all-time high. We also took out the low of the first month of the year. That's not good. Dow Jones Industrial Average, all-time high for the year and all-time high. Outstanding. Each month has been making higher high since the beginning of the year. Outstanding. This index is also on the S&P 500. The Russell 2000 also made an all-time high. Each month making higher highs. Momentum's to the upside. It's bullish. This index is not part of the S&P 500. The Dow Transports, outstanding, all-time new high. Each month also been making higher highs. Outstanding. Bullish. The Dow Utilities. We did make an all-time high for this year. Higher than the past 2 months. But we have not taken out the all-time high, which was last year. Far away from that. This appears almost as a bullish engulfing candle. That's good. This green candle overlapping the prior month, but also overlaps the prior first month of the year. That's very strong. Some refer to that as a seller's shutoff to the upside. That's bullish. So the takeaway here is the high tech index that has been in leadership for many years, year to date right now, is not leadership, which was the Nasdaq 100. So one of the best diversified indexes that's inside the S&P 500 is the Dow Jones. So from Dow Jones, we will look at those 30 diversified companies that are listed in that. Chart on the right is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, looking over a 5-year period. Again, each candle's a month. The left also will be a 5-year period. Each candle will be a month. And we'll look at the companies inside of it. The first is Apple, Alpha Papa Lima, not leadership. The past 3 months of the year have been making lower lows, lower highs. That is bearish. So again, the takeaway is you could have bought the stock index and outperformed the Apple, which is in the Nasdaq 100 also. Next one, Alpha Mike Golf November. Nope, momentum's not to the upside. First month of the year was all-time high. We have not taken out the all-time high yet. Not leadership. American Express, leadership, all-time high, outstanding. Each month making higher highs, outstanding, good leadership. Bravo, Alpha, Boeing, all-time high for the year, outstanding. But we have not taken out the high from last year or the prior year. Not leadership. There's better than this. Charlie Alpha Tango, Caterpillar, outstanding, all-time high as well, each month making higher highs. That's good leadership, better than the text right now. Charlie Romeo Mike, yeah, that's not leadership. We didn't even take out the high of last year yet. Not leadership. It's struggling. Momentum's down like a bear. Cisco, for the year, outstanding, all-time high. The past few months making higher highs, but we have not taken out the high from 2 years ago. That's not leadership. Charlie Victor X-Ray, all-time high for the year, and we have not taken out the high from that year of 2019 nor the high of 2018. Not good leadership. Disney, wow, leadership, outstanding, each month higher high, but for the month it did close red back inside the prior month. That's not good. No. The Dow stock, outstanding, each month higher highs. Look at this, outstanding, all-time high. Good leadership. Goldman Sachs, strong like bull, outstanding, all-time high. But we did close back inside the range of last month. Not good. Nope. And that could be read upon, that candlestick could be read upon as a pin bar, and the direction it's facing and the location of it would be a bearish pin bar. That might be a trade signal coming up. Home Depot, strong like bull, all-time record high, huge move to the upside. Again, all these prior candles, it's engulfed them. Very strong seller shutoff. Good things should be coming. That's a good signal there. Outstanding. Hotel Oscar November, all-time high. Took out the high of this year, which was there, and last year. Outstanding. New leadership. IBM, not leadership. Okay, we took out the high of this year, but we're still way below the highs of 2017. Not leadership. Intel, yep, also not leadership. We have not taken out the high of last year. So many better stocks have been purchasing than this one. Johnson & Johnson, not leadership neither. We made a lower low, took out the low of the first month of this year. Yeah, so that's not leadership. JP Morgan, outstanding. All 3 months higher highs. Yep, already took out the highs of last year. But again, that candlestick could be read as bearish if the follow through the new month takes out that low without taking out that high. That would be bearish. Charlie Oscar, Coca-Cola, nope, not leadership. Below the high of this year, below the high of last year. Yeah, and below the high from 2 years ago. Not leadership. Good. Not good. Nope. What about McDonald's? McDonald's did take out the high of this year. That's good, but hasn't taken out the high of last year. But it engulfed these bodies. That's good. But there's better ones than this one. Yep. 3M, outstanding. Huge move up, taking out the prior 2 months. Way off its highs. So again, 3M, there's better ones than that one. Merck, very weak. Yep. Hasn't even taken out the high of this year, or the high of last year, or the prior year. Not good. Microsoft, nope. Lower low, lower high. Did not make an all-time high, which was last month. Not leadership. There's better ones than that one. Nike, yeah, not leadership. All-time high was last year. We took out the low of the past 2 months. Now, not good. Procter & Gamble, struggles real. So big move up this month, but we haven't taken out the high the first of this year, nor the high of last year. That's not good leadership. Travelers, outstanding, all-time high for the year, and finally took out the high from that prior 2 years ago. Again, that candle could appear and be read as a bearish pin bar. Just need confirmation that would occur not until a month after. Uniform, November Hotel, all-time new high, outstanding leadership. Took out the high of this year and last year. Strong like bull now. And Visa, all-time record high, but it did close back in the prior month. Not good. Yep, not good. Verizon, struggling, hasn't taken out the high of this year, nor the high of last year, nor the prior year. Maybe I should do, oh, not good. Whiskey Bravo Alpha, all-time high for this year, way below its high, not leadership. Nope. Walmart, oof. Wow, below its high of this year, below the high of last year, not leadership. The takeaway were many of these financials were looking very good, but they also give you signals that they might be tiring and may have pullbacks. Pullbacks, if you're bullish, then when they pull back, look for those bargains to reload. First, the entertainment closed red back inside. So we had several of the ones that are leadership that did make all-time new highs, but closed back in the prior months. So the takeaway is the index by itself is outstanding to bid trading, investing.